Hello everyone, I'm Quentin.
And I'm Diane.
And this month, we're going to be doing Tokyo Treat.
Yay, food! So before we start our yummy food, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And it's Easter!
Yep.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
This is April's box.
I gotta cook next week. Oh, I hate cooking.
You cook every day.
Not really, but yeah, okay, we'll go with it.
Okay, so this is the Easter surprise box. Well, it's just the it's the April box, but the name of it is Easter surprise.
That's okay. If the camera's he's worried that the camera's tilted, and if the camera's tilted, we're going with the flow. We'll be sideways for this whole video. Go ahead.
Okay, so since this is the Easter surprise box, it comes with some cool items like eggs and some other stuff.
And this is like one of those sort of like DIY kits. Quentin started his own series. Once a month he's going to do Japanese DIY. And this actually happens to be one of those type of kits. It's more like a candy kit, but still it's a DIY. So we'll save this because these are awkward to make while we're trying the candies and so on. It's a little clunky and awkward. So he'll still do this one. He's just going to do it in his DIY series.
Yeah. Okay. So do you want to get to eating?
We can get to eating anytime. Okay. I'm good to go.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is grab a pen so I can mark off what we've been doing.
I'm so silly. We forgot to do one of the most important things. Tokyo Treat is a monthly snack subscription box. And it costs $22.50. That is US. And you also have to pay delivery. And there is a link down below. And of course, Tokyo Treat is obviously Japanese snacks only. So if you want to check it out, there's a link down below. You're more than welcome to use it.
Yep. I'm just staring off into space for a second. But the first thing that we're going to do is the item that I was just talking about, which is the egg. Sounds like it has some Smarties or M&Ms in it. And it's called the Burrito Egg Chocolate. These cute chocolate-filled egg-shaped containers come in a white, pink, yellow, and green and can be decorated with stickers or a pen. I need a knife or something.
We're not eating pen. I thought, okay, you're not, no.
I need to open it.
No, you're not opening it with a knife. I'll do it with a knife instead.
Then you're going to cut yourself.
I know, I probably will. Let's poke the knife away from us.
You're poking it towards your hand.
Okay, we got it. You know we have scissors, right?
Yeah, but I don't think you'd be able to. And then what you do is
I want to put stickers on it. Where's the stickers?
I think it comes inside. And then you pop it open. Wait, how do you do this?
Give me a little bit of a startle.
Oh, no, wait. There's two ways of opening it. You can either open it from the top, which I honestly...
You push it maybe?
Oh, no, wait. You have to open it first. Oh, my God, wait. Oh, I got it. Oh, it is just M&Ms. Essentially. We can try.
Where's the stickers?
In here, I think. Okay, this is very confusing. This thing's cool.
You did it.
Oh,
There's
wait,
no
put them
stickers
back.
In here.
Put them back because this is.
I'm depressed.
We're doing it wrong. You're supposed to go. Choom.
You think it would come with stickers if it gives you the whole, and then it says you can write on it with a pen.
You can smell it. There's a little smell bar right there. Smell. Smells like M&Ms.
Smells like nothing. I'll take some of them.
Just M&Ms or Smarties. So good though.
Not American Smarties, but European, Canadian type.
Okay.
I'm going to explain that first. When we say Smarties in United States, they're these sort of chalky, round candies. In Canada, Europe, Smarties are a chocolate that are almost identical to M&Ms.
I like those.
So for us, Smarties are not those. We call those Rockets.
I need to pick that up before our dog eats that because
I think the U.S. are the only ones that call those Smarties. Everyone else calls the chocolate type.
Got it. Okay. So the
They don't want the dog to get it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going for an 8 out of 10 on those. It tastes like Smarties.
I don't really like Smarties.
I'm going 6 out of 10 because they didn't give me stickers.
Yeah.
Tell me there's stickers and then they don't give me any.
So the next thing is a Dragon Bar Mobi. This snack was a collaboration with the popular game Puzzle and Dragons. Have you played the game?
Nope. Have you?
It's on. That's what it says on the sheet.
No, but have you?
No.
Well, I haven't either.
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it
I think
either.
it's a board game. Okay.
Smells good?
I don't know. It smells fruity.
Fruity works.
I don't know. It's hard to...
Better than ass. Oops, I didn't say that.
I think it's cinnamon-y.
Ooh, it looks like...
I'm going to take a bite.
It almost looks moldy, but we'll go with the flow. I don't want it, do I? I can tell from the look on your face.
Honestly...
It looks like you got dirt on it.
No, it's sour. It's really weird. It has like a sour cereal powder on the outside. It's like really sour. It was like stuck on my lips. I like that.
You did?
I mean, it tastes good, but like, I wish it wasn't sour.
It tastes like Captain Crunch with sour.
Maybe churros.
But it looks like you got dirt on it.
It sort of does. It sort of does look like it's
Gross. I didn't like it.
I liked it.
Captain Crunch with sour. Ugh.
Okay. The next thing that we are gonna do are the oat and milk coffee crisps. Enjoy the milk coffee flavor of these crisps and the pretty packaging featuring canned coffee.
I don't like coffee.
I love coffee.
I don't like it all.
I like coffee.
Coffee crisp is as coffee as I go.
It doesn't smell like. It looks like coffee crisp. No, it does not. It looks like the what are those called?
Oh, it looks like Sugar Bear, Sugar Pops.
It doesn't taste like coffee.
Then what does it say it does?
Just like the
milk and coffee taste. Is that how coffee tastes?
No, you know, like, no, wait, before you eat it, do you know the cereal that looks exactly like that? Mm-hmm. Exactly what it tastes like. With the milk.
This tastes exactly like Sugar Crisp.
Yeah.
If you've ever had Sugar Crisp, this is exactly. I don't taste coffee at all.
Neither do I.
I mean, I love Sugar Crisp, so I'm not.
I get that 9 out of 10.
Nah, me too. They're delicious.
They're good, but I wish they had a more coffee flavor. Okay.
I find that the Japanese snacks are really light and airy. Probably not. Joking.
You just said light and airy as you choke.
Light and airy, like they basically tend to be like. Probably not very fattening.
Probably not, but
maybe that's why I don't like them so much.
I like them. Okay, the next one is good moist chocolate. This chocolate just melts right in your mouth. Give it a perfect pour.
Moist? I don't like that.
It's a chocolate cake.
But it says moist.
I like chocolate cake.
Who the hell gives a name to cake moist?
Ooh, that smells chocolatey. That actually smells chocolatey.
That smells like chocolate bear paws.
Oh, I like these. I like it already.
Oh god, these look like dog food.
Mmm.
Are they good?
Taste it. These are so good.
I could eat that whole bag right now. 10 out of 10. Best thing I've ever had in a Tokyo treat. And then they melt in your mouth.
It's so good. Okay.
Is that the DIY?
Next thing is the Gerber Cola candy stick. Dip this candy stick in the powder for a sweet and fun snack.
You go ahead.
You're doing that too. We're DNA related. So
I'm enjoying.
No! I wanted those for school snacks. You're mean. Those are mine. They look like a turtle shell. Oh my god, I'm getting it everywhere.
There was something like that when I was a kid.
Yeah, it was that black licorice thing. What flavor is it? Cola.
I don't like cola flavored anything.
You drink Diet Coke just. I like it. You got a lot more powder than me, though. Oh, ew. We're doing this one last.
We're not actually doing those. I can't.
Neither can I.
So, these have, but do they have real shrimp?
Yeah.
How do you know?
This shrimp snack has a salty taste and crunchy texture. It comes in a pack of 4.
Okay, if I eat this, I'll die. Like, quite literally. And
she's an anaphylactic shock.
And he's a vegetarian, so...
I'll bring these to school and see if anybody wants to try them.
And my husband had oral surgery where they had to take
gum
stuff from the roof of his mouth and put it over his teeth to, like...
Oh, I'm already
become like his
something.
gums, because his gums are really, really receding. So he can't eat either, so...
We're just gonna... Just give...
You know what we'll do? Well, we get other snack boxes. One time, we'll get my husband to try this.
In another snack box. Probably Snack Crate, which is coming soon. Well, we're already recording.
So we'll just sort of tell you guys that, we're also going to add this is from the Japanese Tokyo treat. Because him and I cannot eat it, and that's really unfortunate. And there's nobody else around. Well, except for Dad who can't eat.
Okay. So I accidentally opened this up already, as you guys could have seen while my mom was talking. But it's the Fujita Anman-pan, I don't know quite how to say that, mini chocolate lollipop. This cute mini Anpan Man chocolate takes chocolate to the next level. It's on a lollipop stick.
You go ahead, because it's just chocolate.
Weird. Look at the stick.
I bet you little kids love that.
If something feels well with a sake, I just bit it.
I don't want any. No.
Bite it.
No.
Bite it.
No.
Oh my god, you took the whole thing. I meant a little
chocolate.
bite. I meant a little bite, not the whole thing.
Well, you tell me to bite, I go take the whole thing. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That is just chocolate on a stick.
Quite literally. The next one I'm really excited for, which was the carrot stick snack from a couple months ago. It was so good. So, this is the rice puff bar. This puffed rice bar is held together with a sweet soy sauce.
Weighs nothing.
Soy sauce? It's held together with soy sauce.
So it's going to be salty.
I don't know. I was happy about it. Now it's soy sauce. I don't like soy sauce.
I don't mind it.
I like plain rice. Okay, it doesn't smell like soy sauce. It smells like farts.
That's better. Because it smells like farts. Like rancid.
Ooh, yes it does. It smells like soy sauce. Let's take a bite.
I don't want to eat fart candy.
It's not bad.
Does it taste like fart?
No.
I take a little bite of that.
A little bit of a taste of soy sauce.
Ugh, that's gaggy. That
is like
while you're trying to eat it, and then you get it in your mouth, and it's sweet and salty and smells like farts.
It smelled like farts.
Yeah, I'm choking it down, and I'm kind of gaggy. So, okay, this was my favorite box so far, to be honest.
Really?
Oh, because of those chocolate things, they're delicious.
If you don't know what she's talking about.
Oh no,
she's talking about these little wagon wheel things.
Yeah, and these were
like
delicious. And this was fun. I just don't really like Coke flavor, but it's still sour and fun. I don't hate it. This is disgusting.
Ooh,
we can't eat. Neither one of us knows what shrimp. Well, I had shrimp once in my life, and that was the end of that. So we don't have any idea what those taste like.
Long story short, she's allergic to
my husband loves shrimp chips, though, so he'll probably love.
He really does.
Oh, and these Smarties were good. So I didn't mind this box, actually.
This box was quite good, actually. Again, if you guys
except for that one thing was gaggy.
Yeah. If you guys liked the Tokyo Treat box, next month there's Sakura Kit Kats, which sounds so good. Well, it's Sakura Sake Kit Kats. Sake, not Sakai. And every month is a new surprise, and it's really cool because before it even comes, you can get little sneak peeks on what snacks will be coming.
Did you sneak peek on this one? I didn't.
I did. This morning. In school. Well, for lunch.
Hey, you were on the internet? Oh, not
No, I went to the... no, I...
Talk about getting kids a phone for an emergency. I guess checking out your Tokyo treat from school at lunchtime is an emergency.
I mean, no, I went out for lunch, so, like, I checked my phone then.
Where'd you go for lunch?
The recreation center.
Did you go with a girl?
Well, my friend group.
Was there a girl in that friend group?
Yeah.
Did you hold hands?
No.
He's 14. I'm curious. We're having a mother-son talk with you guys.
Weird. But, anyway, this box costs...
Did you kiss?
No, oh my god. Let's finish the Tokyo treat. Okay. This box costs $22.50 American again. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell notification. It really supports us to keep on continuing making these videos. And we really appreciate it if you can leave a nice comment and support us or share with friends.
And I answer every comment, even though we're getting a lot at this particular point in our channel.
I'm smelling makeup right now.
Yeah, I don't know why he's doing that. Maybe because he doesn't want to smell that disgusting freaking fart smelling crap. I don't know how anybody could eat that because it does smell like farts. So do Japanese people have different smelling farts maybe?
Oh my god, that's so mean.
Well, no, I'm saying they have a different diet. Maybe their farts don't smell like that. Therefore, they don't see that as fart smelling. That's what I meant.
Okay, anyway, thank you.
It's not rude.
Have
It's
a nice
not
day.
mean.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye. Woo!